Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today, me, Brian, and Alex are going to be playing a game called Midnight Train. So, everyone say hi.
Hi.
And, I don't know why, but Brian's not talking. Probably mad at us.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. But, yeah. We're playing this game.
Alright.
Working here is really starting to get on my nerves.
Oh, is that? I'm just gonna turn it down.
Liked work.
I'm just gonna turn it down.
I gotta turn up my. I think we just drive a train. Brian is rage quitting.
Actually,
I think Brian's upset because we're the coop.
Brian, hello?
Yo, leave the call, and run back.
Yeah. Brian, right here.
Okay, he just got off the floor.
Yeah.
Swift.
Okay, looks like yo, someone was walking behind us. Brian.
I think it's a mimic. I think the creature's a mimic.
Yeah, probably because I just saw another one behind us.
I
Brian
saw
left.
another us walking behind us.
Brian left. Just join private call. He's not talking to us. Join private call. Hello.
Oh, he's here. Brian.
What?
Wait, where are you, Brian? Where are you?
Nowhere.
Wait, were you the guy that jumped out of the car?
Yeah, I'm the guy that jumped out. Good, huh?
Wait, where actually are you right now?
Huh?
Where actually are you, Brian?
I'm going back. You'll never find me. You'll never find me. You're never gonna find me.
Bro, it's so dark in here, bro. Yo, Alex, it's not a mimic. It's actually Brian. He jumped out the car.
I left.
You didn't leave, Brian. You didn't leave.
Yeah, no, I didn't.
You're still here, Brian. Oh, there he is. Hello.
There he is. No sugaring.
Oh wait, I think that's copyright. Wait, is that copyright?
No, it's not.
Good.
Is it copyright?
Oh my god. If it is, I'm gonna be so mad.
I want to know something.
What?
It actually is copyright. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go. We gotta wait for a customer to enter.
I want to jump scare someone so badly, dude.
No, is that the drunk and disorderly? Jump scare me. Hey, I'm gonna get this guy. I think he's drunk and disorderly. Nice. I found me. It's me. Hey, that customer.
Well, I think this guy is dead. I think he's dead.
Don't. I insisted the customer.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Train to Paris. $70 and 70 cents.
Just give me some money now. Give me your money. I'm gonna hug you. Yo, pay rise, give us some change. Give me money. No, I'm taking the money, bro. It's my money now. No. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna hug you now, Alex. The jump scare you all. Oh, damn, that is expensive.
There's a gun.
Yeah. Buy the gun. I dare you, Alan, to buy the gun.
I don't have Robux. I'm broke.
Oh, okay. That'd be funny.
I am broke boy.
Are you just about time? Yo, I'm gonna go play some Roblox on my computer. I'm gonna play the lobby.
Gonna play that Roblox on the computer, right?
Oh my
Yo,
God,
I'm gonna play. There's a Glock! Yo, there's a Glock right here, bro. There's a Glock right here.
Where's the Glock?
Right by the printer.
Guys, the Glock. Bro, I think how this place is like heavily armed.
Ryan, there's a Glock by the printer, bro.
Is anyone gonna wake this dude up, or is he just dead?
I think he's dead.
Yeah, he's not responsive.
That's what you. That's what you get for being Josh Hutcherson.
Wait, where's the Glock? Okay, I got the
Yo,
pilot.
dude, it's a Karen. It's a Karen.
Oh yeah, that's an Agent Karen. What? There's a train to Paris here? Yeah! Sweet. Oh, she got scammed. She got scammed.
Nah, why didn't we say wompity wompity womp, bro?
That'd be so funny.
That would be so funny. Wompity wompity womp, bro.
What?
No one cares. It's the El Bozo.
Oh, bozo, buddy. Bro, did she leave her luggage out here?
Yo,
I think she left her luggage out here, bro.
She's capping it too. No, she's capping it. She's capping it. She's going really suspicious.
No, Jimmy, no.
Refund?
Nope.
Nah, bro, you're getting.
Nah,
bro.
this is a scam.
You're not getting a refund. You're getting You're getting an extra. You're getting an extra 50 cents, bro.
No, she's trying to scam us. She's trying to scam us. She's like, can I get a refund though still? Like, bro.
Nah, you're getting an extra $10.
Bro, we're at 7-Eleven at least.
Yo, are you gonna take your bags, bro?
Why are you taking your bags?
You didn't take it back?
Is that the Karen?
Oh shoot. Bro.
Guys, I'm outside in the woods. Can you outside?
Same. I'm out here.
He's heading for us. This is the only train station. I'm getting in the room. Yo, get in the freaking office. Just trap yourself in the office.
Nah, but someone grab the Glock.
Bro, we can't. We have to buy it.
I'm ready.
Wait.
Oh God.
Call police. Call police. Wait, he's probably the creature that stole it. What if he doesn't have cash? What are you doing? Who's the phone? Where's the freaking phone?
I'm hungry the creature.
What are you doing? You're gonna get absolutely killed.
Oh, food.
Nah, bro.
What even is this?
Nah. Extra $25
Dude, why?
because you're a creature, not a human. Extra $25, bro.
Why is it my character's all? That's all he's doing, the yapping to these people.
Hide behind the shelf.
Bro, someone buy a Glock. Someone buy this freaking revolver.
No, I'm gonna take this chance to drive the car out of here.
Bro, yeah, let's do it. That's probably a great idea.
Get the car!
Bro, where's the keys? Call 911.
I don't care. We get the monsters! The monsters there! Ah!
Nope. Someone buy a Glock. Later in the night. Oh, we're gonna get absolutely killed.
Oh, we'll cook. Guys, we'll cook.
We are so cooked.
Guys, we have to run.
Yo, get in the freaking office again. Nope, we're gonna have to clear.
We have to
Not it.
Not it!
I'll do it.
I'll do it. It's fine.
Now, we'll do it together with the power
I
of
forgot you need a broom.
Yeah, Brian, you guys can do that. I'm not risking my life for this.
Where's the broom at?
Let's come.
Where's the broom?
Alan, come. It's here. Oh, only one person can do it. Okay, then I'll do it.
Goddamn. Now I'm gonna
Actually,
go break
not
out
every-
Robux. I'm gonna play Fortnite, bro. I'm gonna play. Yo, I'm gonna do a 360 on this. Do 360 on this printer.
Oh, 2060 on the printer Robux. And I'm gonna jump scare you. I have like 50 Robux left.
Bro, you just clean up the trash. I'm not cleaning this up.
Come here. I'm gonna jump scare you, Alex.
Well, no, jump scare me. I wanna see what a jump scare's like.
Okay.
I've done it before.
No, I'm joking. I don't have Robux. I'm poor.
I actually want Robux so I can jump scare.
Yeah, this guy's dead.
Yeah, he's dead, bro. Yo,
Yeah, like,
dispose of the body. Dispose of his body.
I'm gonna hump him before you guys dispose of him. I love humping people. Okay, last thing I need to clean up. W.
No, just call the police. Call the police. No, just call the police. Tell them. If we just call the police, tell them he came in here and died.
No, I'm not.
I'm the one getting arrested.
No, I'm not
Clear the
doing
track.
the same track.
Yo, guys, you
I'm
want
not
commands. Clear the track.
I'm not doing that.
No,
I'm not
No, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Alright, Alan, you're big
Yo,
adjustment.
if I die, then you guys have to owe me. You have to go. Why is there a luggage here?
Wait, what? You have to owe you? Nah, I'm doing it. Get out of there.
I can't move.
Yo, can someone help me and crack between the door?
Ah!
That's why I stay in the office.
Monster! Monster!
That's why I stay in the office.
Oh, that was just a hallucination.
That's why I stay in the office.
Did you see the monster, Alex?
What?
I'm liver target.
Why do you want me? Why do you want me?
Someone call the cops.
Wake up, sir. There's a freaking.
Oh, so he's not dead.
Good.
I'm gonna hump him. I'm gonna hump him.
Trick you, Sussy Baka.
I'm I love humping people.
Stay safe.
Help! Guys, I'm stuck. Oh. Guys, where are you?
Inside.
Guys, you're in the office? Where are you?
Customers coming.
Guys, where are you?
Right here.
I don't see you.
Oh, there's a customer here. There's a customer here. I'll get him. I'll get him. Hey, Bunty. Betta.
Nah.
Come here, Betta. Come here, Betta.
Come here, Becca. Come here, Becca.
Betta.
Betta.
Oh, the train's here! What? Why is he using? Why is he wearing a UPS shirt?
I'm not doing. Hello.
Because bro got a package he has to deliver to China.
Hey, can I help you?
Amsterdam.
Money. Give me your money. Give me your money now, Betta. Betta, give me my money. Betta.
My money, my money, my money.
Oh,
Give the money. My money.
W. I just got like 500. Jesus. That's a ton of money.
Bye bye,
Okay.
train. See you never. Shut up, Fortnite.
Go.
Shut up.
I'll do
Don't
it.
be calling again.
Guys, if I die, you owe me 200 Robux. If I die, you guys owe me 200 Robux.
That's so sick.
If I die, you guys owe me money.
Oh wait, it's the monster, right? Definitely the monster.
The monster, yeah, we know.
He's the monster.
Zach, why?
Why chat? Why chat? Now, what happens if we just leave the car, bro? Will you fire us? We don't care if you fire us, bro.
You already saw a freaking thing from Stranger Things, bro.
We saw the Demogorgon.
Like, I really like Stranger Things, and I don't want to freaking get killed by the Demogorgon or Vecna.
Wait, I think I know what's gonna happen. Eventually, at the end, we're gonna get this gun, and then we're gonna shoot at the monster.
No, you have to pay Robux for it.
That, the one by the printer, yeah.
It's here. Customers here. Guys, the boss is here. The boss is here. Big boss is here.
No, I think it's cool. No, I think it's not.
It's a big boss. It's a big boss.
Hey, Dad, give me your money.
That's the boss. That's the boss.
Money. Dad, give me your money.
Why is
Come on, my beta. Oh, this is not our boss.
Sir.
Yeah.
This was the boss from the other game.
So, what's tomorrow? That was
If you guys remember, this guy was the boss from the other game we played, the Midnight Motel.
Yeah. Oh wait. All right. Wait, guys. I played that. Yep. Get in the office.
Get in the.
Don't play so stupid. You look like Gustavo Fring.
We have a gun outside. Oh,
We have armed weaponry.
We have. Come on, this is America.
This is America, bro.
Yo, yeah, dude.
Who doesn't carry around guns anywhere, bro?
Yeah, dude, doesn't carry around guns in a random train station.
No,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah, they don't follow the law.
Guys.
All right, Alan, you go.
No, I'll go.
I'll go.
Fine, I'll go.
I'll go with Brian. I'll go with Brian. Oh yeah, I'll just all of us go.
I'll just go.
You owe me 200 Robux if I die.
No, we don't.
Yes, you do.
All right, let's go back. Up there.
Wait.
What?
I saw something out there.
Dude, there's nothing here.
No, I actually saw something there. Wow.
There's nothing here.
I'm scared.
All right, I'm going back in the office.
Guys, look. I'm him.
I'm going back in the office.
That's just the outdoors.
Let us see the
Doesn't look like there's anything out here. Yeah, there's nothing out here.
Bro, can someone help me with the door?
Rats! Rats! Rats!
Bro, is it rats?
Where?
Bro, I don't know where the rats are. Alan's got it.
I
Alan,
got
you
it.
take care of it.
Okay, no, let's go back.
Nah, bro, they were carrying the
Let's
Black
take it.
Plague. Nah, they're carrying the Black Death, bro.
You not just sit there carrying the flag there. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
They're
You're gonna get so demonetized for that.
Look up SAS. I'll do it.
Let me do it this time.
Well, here it says 40 per day.
I'm gonna. Oh, I'll throw it away.
Okay, Ryan, you throwing it away?
Where's the customer?
I'm gonna press some important stuff on the top here.
Okay.
Oh, it's a cup! It's a cup!
I'm going
Oh, after me? Yeah!
What's it
The
called?
police!
Yo, everyone meet the cop! Everyone greet the cop outside!
The police! He's gonna say that he's a
Popo! Popo, bro! The LA
Yeah,
police!
he's got a pew pew. Yo, bro, what's up?
Yo, can you give me your Glock, please?
Please!
Can you give me your Glock, please? Bam!
Wait, your Glock?
Can I have your Glock?
Nah, let me assist. Is there a problem, officer? Possibly. I've got a couple calls that are making like extorting tickets. Has everything been going out of fine?
Yes, we saw the street, dude.
Yeah, it's all been well.
No, what do you mean? We saw a freaking dude that looked
We saw a monster! What are you doing?
He's dead, dude. We saw his leg upside down. What do you mean?
It sucks! Have a good visit. Okay, but go.
Dude, this dude is literally from the upside down. That dude we saw, the monster is from the upside down.
Bro, then how does this guy not notice our armed weapons, bro?
Bro, like the
We have a Glock out in the open! How does he not confiscate them, bro? Dude,
Apparently he's a legal
this
guard.
guy is
Does he
doing
even have
a
a
very
tape
bad job as a cop, bro. This guy's doing a very bad
Does he even
job
have
as
a
a
tape
cop.
number?
He's doing a very bad job as a cop.
Grab the fire.
Grab the fire. Why do we need a fire? Did somebody go on fire?
No, the thing.
Where's
Alan, I'll go with you. We have to go together.
goes the burning car? How did bro runs? I thought the cop was supposed to take out the burning car. Nah, this is such a trap. I'm running. I'm
Alan,
looking it. I'm looking it.
Alan,
We should book it.
I text you.
Alright, let's book it. I'm done because there's the monster's gonna appear on the forest. What did I tell you?
What? What? Something scary.
Bro, my character won't work.
No, don't.
Bro, let me go forward. This is why we don't extinguish fires in cars.
Show me. Let me in right now. I swear to God, you're gonna show me.
Gone. I'm the
How's that person? That's a monster! That's a mimic! That's Demogorgon!
You're walking so slow.
So I'm gonna Glock and shoot him in the
Bro,
head!
someone pull the freaking Glock.
Somebody Glock and shoot him in the head!
I need this Glock.
Get a flamethrower. Let's check out the Demogorgon.
Oh, someone's here, someone's here, someone's here.
Okay, I got him.
Alex, you go. You haven't done
Yeah.
a single time.
That's true. I actually have though. I went out. I actually checked the other one.
This is the pilot of business. Hello, how can I help you?
Oh my gosh, we're not supposed to go outside. We're supposed to do it inside the office.
I need a train ticket heading to Berlin.
85. 85 is a lot for a Berlin ticket.
That's Berlin? That's actually not bad, bro. It's like really cheap.
No, a ride to Berlin now costs like $65.
Pay full price.
So you're a Disney kid, not gonna lie.
Yeah, pay full price. There you go. Get out. Get out, bro. Get out.
Can I collect that, please? Oh, can I collect that? I've never collected.
Hey, this is my money, bro.
Thank you.
I freaking dissed that dude so hard like Eminem. Yeah, get out. Go to Berlin.
Get out, buddy!
Yeah, we have a revolt. We have two. We have multiple pistols. We have multiple pistols. You know that? We have
Phone! The phone is ringing!
Why
We
do
have
I?
guns, bro.
Why do I?
Mom, you ain't afraid to use it?
Hello, who's this? Better not be a prank call just to make this night worse. Hello, this is the police. They're calling me for people. Oh, that's just no.
Oh! Get inside!
Go in.
Get inside! Get inside! No. Shut
the
down the
office.
station, guys. Shut down the station.
Single fire line into the office. Someone grab the pistol.
Oh my God, no.
Bro.
Alright, yo!
grab the
Single
block.
file line!
Grab the
Single
block.
file
No,
line!
dude, I can't-
Everyone! Single file line, everybody!
What was that?
The lights went out.
You do it, Alan.
No!
What? Fine. I'll be the brave one and I'll do it.
I'll come with you.
Fine. I got the wrench.
You
Dude, no, we are not running all the way to the freaking forest for this.
do.
We know we're running into the forest for this. Alright. If I get killed, this is all your fault. Hey, we're coming together. Single file line.
I could have done this myself.
Yeah, for real, Brian could have just done this for us. I have the wrench though. Why is this thing so slow?
Well, I can repair it also.
Book it back.
Well.
Run! Survive for 38 seconds, run!
Run away!
Just head back to the station. By then,
Dude, we're
he'll be
legit
gone.
walking.
He's gonna be dead by the time we head back.
No, he's not. Should we get to the front door? Let's just go in the front, because we're just gonna trap ourselves in the office. Oh, he stopped.
Bro, you go faster, I think.
Right,
10,
guys.
9, 8, 7. The train! Get the train!
Get in the train!
Should we get the train?
Yes.
Why is it always me?
Wait.
Did he leave on the train? Did he get on a train or something?
Yeah.
No, I'm dead.
Wait, how?
He killed me.
Oh, damn.
He killed someone?
He killed me. Why me?
Bro, did bro really just hop on a train?
He just killed me. Why me?
Yo, let's do another horror game.
Yeah. Alright, well, guys, we're gonna be playing 2 horror games in one video, y'all.
Racist person, I'm gonna lie.
Racist. We're Asian. We're Asian.
No, he's all Asian. I'm Chinese too.
No, he's targeting me specifically. Like, I tried to run away from it. And then he said goodbye, so you killed me.
That's crazy. Yo, let's just not play a horror game. Let's just play a different game, like
Not War Tycoon.
No, we're not playing War Tycoon.
Like
You
a
guys
horror
want to play
game.
Chain? You guys want to play Chain?
What? What's chain?
Nah, this is only a 2-player game. Never mind.
Play a horror game.
You guys want to play this game called Ohio?
Yeah, bet.
No, I got a good game. I have a really good game. It's called.
No, wait, guys, we have to play a horror game though.
But no! Hey, join me! Join me! I found this new game called this.
No, we should do Possessor. We should do Possessor.
Is this a bet?
Yeah. Oh, I played the Skinwalker on video. If you guys don't remember, that was like 2 videos ago.
Whose server should I join? Whose server should I join?
Join Alan.
Alan, okay. Alan. Yo, let me get a snack, bro. I'll be back.
Bet. Let me get a snack as well.
I already have one. I have chocolate. Fire, bro. Fire. Oh.
2 Kit Kats. I got 2 Kit Kats and 1 coffee crisp.
Yes. I have I'm finishing up my chocolate.
Love you.
W chocolate too.
I'm joining.
It's frozen. It's frozen. It's frozen. Frozen chocolate, bro.
Cool Ranch
Bro,
Doritos.
my dumb, me being stupid left it out in the sun for 2 hours.
Wait, I have an idea, guys. Instead of playing Possessor, I know a really good game.
What?
It's a Russian roulette game. I know that sounds bad, but it's good.
Bro, we gotta do family-friendly stuff on my channel, bro.
It is family friendly. In a way.
Do I hear gambling?
Yeah, it's true. Let's talk.
Bet. Gambling.
I'm the one who's
Go.
gambling gambling, Christian.
I don't know.
You do have a privilege gambling.
Not kidding.
I'm been no.
I'm not even in the game. I'm not in the game. I don't even know anything about the girls.
I'm gonna possess.
Yo!
Listen. Maybe.
Yo, this guy died! This guy died!
That one time again. Ryan, did you die?
No.
Ryan's the possessor! I see him!
Who was it?
It's Brian.
Brian?
Yeah. He's outside the map!
Wait, is he dead?
Don't ask how.
Wait, is he dead?
Oh.
there he is.
Bro, who got crucified?
Zombies, easy. I'm dead! I'm dead!
Brian, it's Brian. Is it Brian? Did you kill Alex?
Maybe not.
Did you just tell Brian? He's dead. Just tell us.
No, he didn't. You know the guy that stood up and died?
Yeah.
It was that guy.
Zombie?
Couldn't have been Brian. Cause he was in the game the whole time. And if he was the possessor's character would die.
Adam, do you know that I have the ability to stay alive into the game, entire games, until I die, lose or die?
你干嘛整天吃这个巧克力啊？快开始做题。
Oh, is your mom yelling at you because you're eating chocolate?
Yeah.
Couldn't be
快
me.
鞋子啊！
Couldn't be me, bro. Couldn't be me. Thriller!
Get back in. Possessor. Alan, you were the possessor?
No.
It wasn't good.
Well, look, I'm not the possessor, but the possessor took my body. The possessor took my body, bro.
I have an ability that allows me to stay in the game the entire game, and that if I possess someone, it still looks like I'm still alive.
Guys, the possessor possessed me. I wasn't the
Possessor
possessor.
was me.
What?
Yeah.
It was you?
My. Okay, I'm innocent.
Oh, I'm a medium.
Wait, are you the medium?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so.
Alan,
Huh?
can
Wait, what does the medium do?
the medium basically he has the ability to check anyone if there's a possessor, innocent, or exorcist.
Oh. Okay, wait, is that only once time?
It's once every round.
Oh. Well, I accidentally checked the exorcist, bro.
Who is it?
I accidentally checked the exorcist, bro. Yo, next round I'm gonna check Alex.
Yeah, look like I'm dead.
Actually?
Yeah, I died.
No! Kidding, bro!
Yo, I gotta get off stream, guys. Do you wanna play this game? It's called Helmet Open. It's called Helmet.
Oh.
Wait, it's somewhat horror game.
Yeah, after this real quick. I'll end the
The
video
guy
pretty soon.
win.
We have to end the video pretty soon, so yeah.
Alex, why did you have
I'm
to
dead!
possess me?
I'm dead! The possessor killed me! The possessor possessed me! 3 rounds in a row! Oh my god! Oh my god,
You know what, guys? You wanna know something cool?
no! What?
I can go tell you that. But the possessor basically cannot possess me.
I'll end the video.
Wait, hold up. Let's wait for this round to end real quick.
I think it's you, Alan. Hi.
Bro,
Yes.
bro, Brian, I'm in the lobby right now.
It was you, wasn't it?
I am in the lobby, Brian.
Oh.
Possessor killed me.
Who's the possessor? No way. No. No!
But Brian, did he possess you? Did he possess you, Brian?
Yeah.
You're not in the lobby.
He didn't possess him.
Yeah.
And I think I know who it is.
Why am I...
Go. There you go. Is it you?
Honestly, yeah, I think it's Tango.
Bro, just play a different game.
Oh, he was a possessor! Yes!
W, we got him!
Yes!
Yo,
Alright, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.